Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonal Agrawal and here I am with a new video for you guys once again. So here in this video I have created this look for my Ashtami Puja. I have created those traditionally elongated Bengali eyes here and beautiful eyes with glitter and half cut crease. I have kept my lips muted. I haven't put red lipstick. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप red lipstick लगा सकते हो. Red will also look really nice with these eyes. If you want to see how I created this look, please watch the whole video. And if you like it, please hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. So to start off, I'm using this face primer by Sugar. This is that pore minimizing one. I'm applying this mostly on my T-zone and spreading it towards my outer perimeters of my face. And next I'm using this Ace of Face foundation stick by Sugar. This is in the shade Cortado. This is a shade or two darker than my skin tone, but I will balance it out with the concealer I will apply further. I'm blending this foundation with a foundation brush. This blends better with a foundation brush instead of a beauty sponge. I'm applying this foundation on my neck and my ear as well, so everything looks in one color. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is a shade lighter than my skin tone and I'm balancing out everything with this concealer, applying this on my under eyes, T-zone, on my chin, on my cupid's bow and a little below my contour line, so everything gets balanced. And I'm blending this with my wet damp beauty sponge. Next I'm using this Fit Me loose powder and applying this on my under eyes with the same damp beauty sponge on my T-zone. Next I will be taking a small powder brush and brushing off the excess I had applied on my under eyes, and I will be applying this powder on rest of my face with this brush on my neck, on my ear, everywhere. Next I'm taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette and with this middle contour shade I am contouring my cheeks. I will be contouring my forehead, my jawline and my nose as well. For my nose I will be using my fingers. I'm using this angled brush for my contour. Here I am contouring my nose, and to blend everything in place I am using my damp sponge. Next I am taking my Sugar face contour palette and from that palette I am taking this blush. This is a beautiful peachy coral blush, and with that same angled brush I have applied this on the apple of my cheeks and blending it into my contour and a little bit on my nose for that flushed look. Next taking this MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, applying this with this highlighter brush on the top of my cheekbones, my nose, my arch of my above the arch of my brows and my chin and my cupid's bow, and a little bit in the middle of my forehead so that it catches, when it catches light it looks beautiful. And now taking the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, I'm setting my base because I have applied a lot of powder. So to set that in place I am using this fixer, and again with my sponge I am going all over my face to melt everything down and blend everything seamlessly. It will also take off any excess powder sitting on my face. Now taking this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, this is the most hyped palette, this is the Rose in the Air one, and now taking this cream color from the palette with this blending brush, I'm setting my eyelids because I already had applied the concealer, and with the same blending brush I'm taking this transition color, this orangish caramel type of a color, and I'm applying this on my crease area. I'm applying this on the upper part of my crease area because I'm gonna do a cut crease look, so I'm not doing a lot on my lid. And now taking this denser blending brush, I'm taking this deeper orange reddish brown kind of a shade, and I'm deepening my crease a little again on the upper part of my crease, not going below that. And I'm taking my time in blending it because everything blended well looks nice. Now I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line. I have also applied the transition color on my lower lash line, and I'm intensifying this brown color. And now taking this concealer, that same Maybelline concealer, I'm taking this flat brush and trying to make a cut crease, that half cut crease. I'm also cleaning my lid area with this concealer and going a little towards my inner corner. I'm not making a very sharp line over here for my cut crease. It's just a kind of soft cut crease look. Now taking this gold eyeshadow from the palette on that same flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this on the concealer, over the concealer directly, so that I can get the maximum pigmentation out of it. And now taking that same dark brown color on that denser blending brush, I'm applying on the outer part of my lid and blending it into my crease. To create that depth, I'm using this darker brown shade, and I'm taking a very little amount and applying it on my outer crease, outer lid area and crease area. Now taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow, this is the Glow and Glitter one. It has glitter particles in it. I'm taking a very teeny tiny amount of it and applying it on the gold eyeshadow I had applied, and I'm blending it with my finger. And I'm taking that same gold shade and applying it on my brow bone area. I'm taking this Maybelline tattoo liner and applying a wing liner on my lash line, very close to my lash line. Again, it's a struggle for me to do it on camera. I'm creating a sharp elongated wing to give my eyes that elongated look. Now I'm taking a kohl pencil and joining that wing towards my lower lash line, and I'm lining my lower waterline with the same kohl pencil, and I'm also lining my upper waterline. And now I'm blending my kohl pencil with this pencil brush, and now I'm taking my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara and coating my upper lashes as well as lower lashes really nicely. So I don't know why my camera stopped recording and I couldn't record the lipstick part. So I've used the Soar lip liner and this lipstick by MAC. This is the Yash color. The lip color was looking a little too pale in person, so I used this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Gulabe for that ombre look. And now I'm ready. I'm applying my bindi, I've put my jhumkas, and guys, this is my finished look. I hope you all like the look. If you do like it, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.